Chapter 4. Love is Beautiful. Paris goes across the sea to Sparta. But old King Menelaus is not there.
He's in Mycenae.
His young queen Helen says.
He's visiting his brother Agamemnon there. Agamemnon is the greatest of all the Greek kings. But please stay here and talk with me.
Helen is very beautiful, so Paris stays. At the same time, in Thessaly, King Peleus and Queen Thetis have a son. His name is Achilles. An old priestess tells Thetis,
"You must be careful. One day, your son Achilles must go and fight in Troy, and he must die there too."
Thetis is afraid. She takes Achilles down to the dark river Styx. Then she takes her son's left heel in her hand, and she puts him under the water for a minute. After this, nobody can kill him with a sword, but his left heel stays weak. In Sparta, Paris and Helen talk happily.
"I love you,"
Paris says.
I love you too.
Helen answers.
"Then come to Troy and marry me."
Paris cries.
All right.
Helen smiles, and she leaves with him. When Paris brings Helen of Sparta home, his sister Cassandra is not happy.
Disaster. Now the Greeks must come for Helen. I see Troy in flames and all our family dead.
She cries, but nobody listens to her. Paris marries Helen that afternoon. From that day, she is Helen of Troy. When Menelaus comes back from Mycenae to Sparta, Helen is not at home.
"Where's the queen?"
He asks. He is very angry when he learns. He goes and tells his brother Agamemnon.
"We must fight the Trojans."
Agamemnon cries angrily.
"We must bring Helen back."